here in California. Today we are at UC Berkeley, where the students have the opportunity to not only learn how things are done here in America, but also to network with people and to hopefully kickstart their careers in what is the epicenter of global innovation at the moment.
It's a great opportunity for students to have this seminar because it gives a unique experience of how things work at the bridge between academic and practical sense. The interesting thing that it gives the perspective of different aspects, the whole spectrum of new product development, of business, of how to run successful projects from the start. This is a great instrument, and of course it's up to them how they can use this instrument to squeeze the most from that.
The seminar San Francisco and Silicon Valley gives the opportunity to our students to learn new ways of working, thinking, and executing projects. And that makes it the perfect complement to the master's program they are enrolled in. It's an exceptional experience that enriches everyone's skills, knowledge, and personal growth.
This seminar has been a highlight of this year, honestly. I am truly privileged to be here, to be around the people I have spent 6 months with.
I really like the international seminar, especially the quality of speakers that we have, the fact that we have the conferences and the different sessions in different locations. For example, we have the chance today to be at UC Berkeley, we went to Stanford and also to the NTT Center. So I think it's a great experience for every student.
I think in general it's really interesting. It's not only like professional value, but also personal value, especially the keynotes. They show you how these people were like us, also students, or maybe they left university even, but they had this career and they chose their own paths to get where they are now, and they do amazing jobs. And I don't know, I can see myself reflected. Maybe some of them created their own startups, others are helping other startups.
It's super well organized in terms of timing, in terms of people that were visiting, people that were listening, and the keynotes and so on.
The main highlights is the fact that we managed to talk with C-level executives and share our impression and our thoughts with really important people.
Being in the hub, the worldwide hub of innovation in Silicon Valley, has given us incredible new views on how entrepreneurs innovate and what is the whole process behind it.
We had the chance to listen to a keynote of Zeev Ziegel, the co-founder of Starbucks, which is really inspiring.
I think that this seminar fits perfectly with our master program because we are in the heart of innovation. Being in the Silicon Valley is really appealing for us, and it helps us to be more ambitious also. The fact that we're surrounded by successful people that work in tech company, and we have the chance also to get insight of their business.
For me, it's really added value for like our online general culture and our online CV and curriculum, because it's going to give us a lot of insights about what's really happening in the biggest companies in the world.
At the same time, it's very digital oriented. We learn a lot of things on AI and neuroscience as well, which can be put in practice here at ESCP, but as well in our future job.
Meeting these huge speakers that come from different backgrounds to talk to you about your mental health, about positivity, about the people that they meet, about the laws in life, about everything. This mindset pushes you a lot and makes you believe in yourself way more.
It really gives us a new, fresh perspective of the topics we talk about in the masters.
It brings a lot of different contacts. Actually, I wrote down all of the names of the people that talked and the people that I met on the way, and even students actually on the campuses. It brings you also a lot of insights and a lot of maybe ideas for the future that you could potentially have. And I think that for your future could be really useful. And to see all of these people succeeding, being in the same level as us before, helped me a lot to gain the confidence for it.
I would advise students to think more about long-term. Some students here are thinking about short-term, about their internship, but it's really important to think about long-term, having contacts here, because these people, you might learn from them in the future, but as well you might need to contact them. So it's quite interesting to have this long-term vision.
Maybe prepared a bit of what is Salesforce doing, what is Plug and Play doing, in order to go at their keynote and really have knowledge a bit of what it's about and take all the advantage of the keynote and of the speakers.
Ask all the questions you want. Maybe they won't get this opportunity again.
My advice is to network, try to see the work field in very different perspective, trying to investigate things that you don't know in order to learn always new things. The most important things for me would be to be curious about the people you meet, curious about the ecosystem in the Silicon Valley, because it's quite different from what I learned before.
Use this as an opportunity to see what you have thought before and to see these other ways of thinking from other people. Open up your mind to these different cultures and to these different opinions, because that is what is going to give you an advantage as a professional and in life.
We're here to welcome you. Just join us. It's going to be fun and you will learn a lot.